Hi guys. I am Rollins Northeast Rider. I welcome you all to my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon. If you find the video helpful, please like it. Today I am going to review the best PUBG mobile headphones, which is just under Rs 1000. It is built and look like a pro gaming headphone. I have already unboxed it in my previous video. Now we are going to review its features and why it is a good gaming headphone. These headphones help us hear every foot sound of the enemies while we are playing the gaming, and it very clear more than the earphones, which does not do the job very well. It has good bass, good clear output, and in PUBG Mobile you won't be confused where your enemy is hiding. The cushioning of ear pads very soft, and it is of foam material that does not give you uncomfort even after hours of gaming. It has cushioning for the headband also, where you won't feel pain or tightness in your head when gaming. I played PUBG with this headphones and was really amazed by its sound quality while gaming. It is just awesome, it looks good, it feels good, and using this headphones improved my gaming and I won many chicken dinners. I strongly recommend this headphones to all gaming lovers who are looking for good headphones. It is good for every game, it will work as well for all shooting games and give you best experience. Win-win, right? It's such a awesome thing. I am using the red color Cosmic GS410, which looks dope, and sound is the vital factor in every shooting games. You need to have a good knowledge of your enemy's hideout. This headphone just lets you know the sound so clear that you are accurate in which floor or which corner the enemy is hiding. It works great even with CSGO, the most popular game among PC gamers. Many gamers are using it and happy. These Cosmic GS410 are not limited to games. Its good bass quality lets you enjoy music and movies to a next level and in a comfortable way. It will work very fine even for the latest game which is out now, and that's Call of Duty Mobile. Trust me guys, you won't be disappointed. Cosmic GS410 headphones have a good build quality and awesome bass. All popular games, Cyber Hunter, Call of Duty, Free Fire, Arena, etc. will be just perfect with this gaming headphones. I tried playing it with Call of Duty Beta version 2 and that was as dope as I wished it to be. It has an inbuilt mic which looks premium and it is retractable. Cosmic GS410 has good quality mic like every good gaming headphone, which will let other players hear your voice clear and loud. When not in use you can just fold the mic and it greatly comprehends the looks of the headphone. Wow, at an amazing price. I don't feel this headphones have any cons. To buy this awesome headphones, just go to the link in the description of my video and you can make it yours too. Great, right guys? So I am gonna end this review with rating it with 5 stars, and last but not the least everyone, let's just say winner winner chicken dinner. See you in the next video. Till then, game hard, peace.